back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious dessert for the holidays. Puff pastry and cream cheese that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing dessert for the holidays, these are my ingredients. Vanilla paste, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 room temperature egg, granulated sugar, 1 stick of cream cheese, and of course, the puff pastry. This is everything we need to prepare an amazing and delicious dessert for the holidays. So let's get started. Let me start by creaming the cream cheese. The cream cheese needs to be at room temperature. This part is very important. Adding the cream cheese at room temperature and half a cup of granulated sugar, incorporating it really good, adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home. But let me tell you, this filling is so delicious that once you make it, you're going to continue making this amazing dessert, this amazing bread for the holidays. Well, here I'm incorporating a room temperature egg. This is going to make it so smooth, so thick, so yummy that once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it for the holidays or even year long. I got a whisk. I am going to whisk it for a little bit until I see no more lumps of the cream cheese. This is very important. You want to make sure that there's no lumps of the cream cheese. Look how easy it is to prepare this amazing bread at home with this puff pastry that is nice and cold. I just took the puff pastry out of the refrigerator. It's still nice and cold. That's okay. That's exactly how I want it. I am going to slice it in 3 different pieces and then slice it through the center. In total, I want 6 pieces. Look at this. Look how easy it is to make it at home. Puff pastry, you could find it in any supermarket. Of course, you could fill it with anything you want. It really comes out delicious every time. Well, here I'm going to go ahead and cut through the center. I want to create 6 individual pieces. And once you separate them, you're going to start scoring them. I am going to score them in a little square right in the center, making sure that I don't go all the way down to the working table. I don't cut through it. So take your time when you're making the little square in the center. The little square is not going to puff up. And that's exactly where you're going to add your cream cheese mixture. Yes, right in the center. Of course, you could add some egg right on the top, egg wash on the top, or you could even just add regular milk right on the top to get it nice and golden brown. Let me show you how easy it is. I know that it's time consuming, but once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it. Look at this. You superficial make the little square in the center. I have 3 tablespoons of regular milk, and I'm just going to add it right on the top. Look at this. Cover everything with the regular milk. Like I said, you could use egg wash, but I just want to use regular milk. Once you cover all the 6 pieces with the regular milk, you're going to add the granulated sugar and the cinnamon, a pinch of salt. You're going to mix everything, and then you're just going to pour it on the top. Sprinkle it on the top. You want to make sure that everything is completely covered with the cinnamon and sugar mixture. Remember, don't forget the little pinch of salt. This is going to help with the sugar and get everything nice and delicious. So I'm just going to continue and sprinkle all the amazing sugar and cinnamon right on the top. Cover everything right in the center where we made the little square. That's where I'm going to add the cream cheese mixture. Of course, I have preheated my oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Let me tell you, it really tastes amazing, and the mixture of the cream cheese just delicious. Once you take them out, let them rest for a little bit, and look how gorgeous they look. Now I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar right on the top to give it that festive look. And of course, the puff pastry comes with 2 sheets, so I am going to use both sheets. Look how golden brown it is from the bottom and from the top with that filling. Just amazing. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look at this. Look how amazing this puff pastry with cream cheese came out. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing bread with the cream cheese right on the top. Powdered sugar on the top and nice and crispy. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So crispy, so delicious, and so creamy. Make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family like I'm going to enjoy it with my family. Just delicious and amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing bread with cream cheese in the center. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing bread. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.